Wildfire has a natural and important role to play in our Western landscape. Human-caused wildfires are all too common and put a huge strain on firefighters, resources, and communities. It's everyone's responsibility to help prevent human-caused wildfires. As Smokey Bear reminds us, only you can prevent wildfires. Remember these fire safety tips to help you, your family, and your community stay safe this fire season. Unattended campfires are the #1 source of human-caused wildfires, so never leave your campfire unattended. Keep your campfire small and away from flammable material. Use a designated campfire ring when available. Completely extinguish your campfire by drowning your fire with water and stirring with a shovel. Make sure your campfire is cold to the touch before leaving it. Fireworks are always prohibited on federal public land. Fireworks can easily spark a wildfire, so please leave fireworks to the professionals and support your local community by enjoying fireworks at sponsored events. When conditions are warm and dry, recreation areas may implement fire restrictions to reduce the risk of wildfires. Know before you go what fire restrictions may be in place. Check online or call ahead to find out if certain activities may be limited during your visit. Smoke only in designated areas and never discard cigarette butts on the ground or in vegetation. Avoid driving and parking on dry vegetation, as hot exhaust pipes or sparks can ignite a fire. Check your chains if you're using a trailer, and make sure they're not dragging on the ground, as they can throw sparks and ignite a fire. Exploding targets used during recreational shooting are prohibited on federal public lands. Homeowners can also help by practicing fire safety at home. Use lawnmowers and other gas-powered equipment early in the day or the evening to avoid accidental ignitions. Check with your local fire department before any backyard debris burning. Protect your home and prevent fires from spreading by creating a 30-foot defensible space around your home that is free of flammable material. Clean up dead or dying plants, branches, leaves, and needles from your lawn, deck, and roof. During fire season, move wood piles away from your home. Prune tree branches and limbs off the ground and away from your house. And keep grass short and consider fire-resistant landscaping. By working together and practicing responsible fire safety, we can all lend a helping hand to our firefighters and keep our community safe. And thanks for your help.